Hey Meltz fans, good morning. We're here at Meltz Extreme Grilled Cheese. Beautiful Wednesday, bright blue skies out. We're launching a new sandwich. Despite the COVID-19, we're still creating new and delicious sandwiches. I want to talk about a couple things, but I want to get this grilled cheese started, and then we'll talk about a couple other things. But first of all, we're going to get the start of this sandwich is blackened brie. It's our newest dip. And so we blacken the brie cheese, and then we put our buttermilk fried onions in there, caramelized onions, roasted garlic, Cajun seasonings, lots of brie cheese. It's a beautiful dip. So this sandwich is started with that. We're calling it blackened brie. So that's beautiful. And now I'm going to get going with a little bit of pepper jack on here, and at least start to get this guy cooking. Then I'm going to talk about a couple things. The name of this new sandwich is the Big Brieezy, because we're going to New Orleans, play on words like the Big Easy. So we're calling it the Big Brieezy because, of course, it has a brie dip in it, our blackened brie dip. So we got the pepper jack going, and we got the brie dip on there. We're going to get that started. I'm also going to get my chicken down. This is a blackened Cajun spiced chicken. A little bit of that. We're going to get put a little bit of roasted garlic oil on that. We're going to get that caramelizing. Okay, so this Sunday is actually National Grilled Cheese Day, which is of course Easter, and of course we're dealing with COVID-19. So we will not be celebrating National Grilled Cheese Day this year here at Meltz, unfortunately. And that's normally the day we hand out our Meltz Mob cards. And our Meltz Mob cards, we are going to be extending those. Anybody who has any Meltz Mob card from even previous years, I'm extending that. It was just going to be last year's Meltz Mob people, but if you still have an old card from previous years, that's going to be good all the way till April 12th of 2021. So that's what we're going to do this year. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do all the festivities and craziness that we normally do on National Grilled Cheese Day because it's Easter and we'll be spending time with our families, and of course we can't attract any crowds anyways. So we're closed Easter, and that's what's going on with the Meltz Mob card. If you have any questions, you can message us about that. We'll talk about it. Okay, back to the sandwich, the Big Brieezy. So we got our chicken going, our cheese is melting, and then we're going to use, next we're going to go to Tasso ham. So Tasso ham, this is a Tasso ham, and this is ham that we have that has been, it's a cured pork shoulder, and of course it's cured with Cajun spices, which is of course all the peppers, cayenne pepper, black pepper, white pepper, paprika, garlic, all those kinds of things are all in there, and we have this pork cured shoulder, and it's been sliced very, very thinly, more like a prosciutto. So this is an addition to this. So we got a double meat sandwich, and I know you meat lovers love that. So we're going to put that on there. We're just going to kiss it on the grill just slightly. Just literally kiss it. It's already very dry, so we don't want to dry it out at all. We're just gonna kiss it very, very lightly because it's very, very dry already. So just a little bit of that on there. Spread that ham all out nice and neat. Then we're gonna go back to our chicken. Give that a toss. Get that back on there. Next is gonna be our what we're calling our spicy roasted shallot relish. So we're going to put 2 of those guys on there. And this relish has roasted garlic in there. It's got a little acid. It's got some Cajun spices in there. A bunch of roasted shallots. Some small dice of red pepper. What other good stuff does it have in there, Nick? Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
that's pretty much it. Yeah, a lot of roasted shallots. You can see the caramelization of the shallots. So shallots is kind of a cross between garlic and onions. So you can see that on there. So we're just gonna punch that out a little bit. We take the back of our.
There's a lot of seasoning in it.
A lot of because that's where you're getting a lot of your good spice from, right there inside that relish. In addition to the black and brie dip, that's what's going on there. Then we're gonna do a little bit of diced tomato. So we get a little diced tomato because I mean it wouldn't be Cajun without a little tomato or tomato, however you choose to say it. I'm gonna garnish it with a little green onion. Then we're gonna add a little bit of roasted red pepper pesto. Now pesto, of course, isn't a New Orleans thing, it's more of an Italian thing. But of course, this is Meltz Extreme Grilled Cheese, and this is my sandwich, and this is my twist on a sandwich. So, and we know everybody loves pesto. I love pesto. And we have red peppers in our relish as well, so we thought this would be a nice addition. So we're gonna do a little red pepper pesto. So we get that on there. Now we're gonna come back to our chicken. Chicken's got a nice little bit of sear on it. It's all hot and crispy. This is it's an all white meat chicken. There you go. And she's got all that. So the final is what we're calling it puffed rice. That's what it is, crispy puffed rice. Because of course in New Orleans, you know, jambalayas, gumbos, you know, you got to have your rice on there. Of course, we don't want to put a bunch of rice on there, so we're doing crispy puffed rice or crunchy puffed rice. And so you can see that right here. And this is where we've actually dehydrated our own rice in-house here by Chef Nick. And we're just going to add a little bit of that stuff, a little bit of that for crunch. A little crunch, and of course to be very, very traditional to New Orleans, the Big Brieezy. So that's doing its thing, and we're about ready to wrap that up. So we are here. We are continuing to do takeout and delivery to the best of our ability. We're in the process of doing a facelift here in the front, which is really exciting. So we're still, you know, trying to do our thing here and taking it one day at a time. And of course, launching this new sandwich. Okay, so that's that. Let's slide it over here. Now we're going to go for the big close. Make sure we don't get any stickage. We got all that frico right there. Our signature, that fried cheese skirt. You can see happening there. And we're just going to give it the love there and the close. And we're looking really, really delicious there. Okay, now we're going to take our tray. Get our tray down here. Okay. Give it a little flip. Oh, look at all that frico. Looking delish. Okay, let's wrap this video up. The Big Brieezy on fire. Spicy Cajun chicken, tasso ham, roasted shallot relish, red pepper pesto, tomato, puffed rice, pepper jack. We got it all. I'm going to have my wife test this sandwich for me normally. So welcome, Brianna.
Hi, everyone.
So we're going to have her test this one. Normally I'm getting into it, but since she's here today.
It looks delicious.
So
There is
we'll get it
2
all
halves,
piled
Joe.
up. We'll give it, let Nick zero in on it before we get after it. Of course, we don't want to forget our, what we call our shrapnel. There's our shrapnel. Our little bits of spice, frico, the most delicious part. There it is. Doesn't that look delish? I wonder what it looks like under this light here. Right behind our chips.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good?
It does.
Okay, so we're gonna let Brianna get into this. I'll get her napkin ready.
All right, I'm going for it. Sounds delicious.
You watched a lot of videos of me.
Mention
doing
cheese
sandwiches.
You guys can go listen. Go listen.
Well, I mean, it's kind of an honor of you because, you know, your name's Brianna and it's the Big Brieezy. You know?
Right.
Yeah, I mean, I'll get after it.
And your Melt's biggest